Hey, what's up, guys? This is Solomon, and it's raining really bad outside. What a rainy day, huh? Oh crap, the electricity just went out. This is not that good. Tony. Hey. It's a tornado!